Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video we had to cover as uh, adding the report pages and objects and naming and grouping objects. So basically the report we had to see finally. So till now we had discussed about all the basic stuff for extracting, transforming, loading the data. Everything is to be completed and data model also completed. Now and DAX formulas also completed. Now we had to enter into the visualization. So let's overview with the visualization. Then we'll go back. We'll enter into the reports. So here, this is the page one. And if you click on this plus, a new page will enter. So this is the mobile layout view. This is the desktop layout view. And here, this left side options. Already the previous videos, we have used this one: report view, table view, and model view, and DAX query view. So the right side, this is the build. So build suggestions called as these are all the charts. So and here we have to add the data. This data called as all the tables. So what are all the data sets we are using? So these all the data sets we have added here. And if you click on this home button, these all things get data, Excel workbook, One Lake Data Hub, SQL Server, enter data. So these options are available. If you click on this option, so this all the charts like bar and column. So stacked bar, stacked column, clustered bar, clustered column, 100% stacked bar. So these are all the things, the charts are available. And text box, more visuals, new measure, quick measure, these are all things. And if you click on insert, again, this insert, the charts are available, insert the charts. And so this is the more visuals from app source and from my files. And Q&A, key influencers, and decomposition tree, narrative. And here the elements are available. So these elements are text box and buttons. So left arrow, right arrow, reset, back. The buttons we had to add. And shapes, so rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, etc. And image we had to add. So these are all the things. And filters. So we'll add the filter and we had to apply with the filter option. And this one, the right side, the complete right side border data view. So this is, if you click on this data view, and next to build view, next to format view, and customize, we have to add anything. And here the settings option also available. This is the full screen fit to page, and this is the zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. So these are all the options. And modeling. So modeling, already we've seen this new, creating the new measure, quick measure, new column, new table, and view. So in this view, we have the templates. So these are all the templates, the report templates we have. And next to page view, mobile layout, grid lanes, snap to grid, lock objects, filters, pane manager. Next, optimize options. If any pause visuals, refresh visuals, optimization presents. So these are all the things, and help also. Now if we go with home, now we'll create the report. So till now we have covered as all the canvas view. Now if you go with page one, and so in page one I'll create as this, so rename to executive dashboard. So first page one. So page one as the executive dashboard, and page two will give as rename. This one will give as map, and page three will go with product detail. And page four will go with customer detail. Rename customer detail. Okay. So 4 pages we have created. So we have already the data is available. Now we created with 4 pages. So executive dashboard, map, product detail, and customer detail. Now we'll go with page one. And page one, I'll go with insert. To insert the image first. I'll go with image insert. And here the last right side, add an image to your report. So this, click on this image option. So in image, I'll add with the image is already available, I have shared. So this image I'll go with, select with the Adventure Works logo. Select with the logo. Okay. So image logo is to be added here. So just this one, little bit customize. Okay. Yeah. So this is the logo add. Now we'll go with to add with the shapes. So the shape I'll add with rectangle. So rectangle here I have the rectangle is available, rounded rectangle. snippet tab. So I will go with rounded rectangle. So this rounded rectangle for the purpose of to add with the KPIs. So now I will use with this one, right click and format. So format options are available here. So build option, this one, and format. So for format, I'll go with shape. Here, this is the options, shape and properties. So for shape, I'll go with rounded rectangles. So size and style. Shape style. So for rounded corners, so this rounded corners, I'll go with 15%. Okay, so this rounded corners applied. And fill the color. Fill color. So color we have to select. So I'll go with more colors. Uh, so now I'll select with the color called as so something. Just I'm giving the color code. For color code, I'll go with uh, better. I will click on block. This one block 20% lighter. So okay, I'll go with some little bit gray color and border. So borders, I'll switch off the border. Okay. And size and position, I'll select. Shape style. And here, okay, size and position. This one, I'll go with and width. I'll go with like 225. Okay. So uh, I'll place it here. Okay. Okay. So now I'll create this one as change your page type here. Uh, so I'll select this one, Control C, Control V, 1, 2, 3. So three, what we say, three chord is selected. Okay. So these three chords I'll select as like this way. Select, select the four rectangles and go with the format. So in format, I have the option called as the align option. So in this align option, I'll go with the distribute horizontally. So the equals size will allocate. And I'll go with again, I'll align top, same position is assigned. So once it is done, so here I have done with the four rectangles. Now I'll add with this add with the rectangle again, like so. Okay. Now I'll click on this save option. So up to this one as the adding the report pages and objects. Now I'll move to naming and grouping the objects. So this grouping the objects, I'll go with this page one selection. So this selection is select this image. Here we click on this build option. So for this selection part, actually here the right side data build and format. Here we have the option called as one more option. Selection part is not showing here actually. I'll check this one later why this option is not showing. So in the next video, I'll show that how we'll add this selection part. So for now, I'll go with cards to add with the cards. So I'm going with that. And here I'll go with here the option is gauze, chord, and KPI. So here the option called as chord new and chord, and this is the multi-row chord. I'll go with this option chord. This is the chord. Select this chord. So chord is added here. So once the chord is added, here we had to add the data. So click on this add data, and we are adding the this KPI called as. So now I will add with total revenue. Okay. So for this total revenue, uh, this one here, if I double click on this total revenue, here it will ask us to rename revenue done. Okay. So the renaming is done, and here we have the option called as the uh, format option. And once we click on this format, so here this add to your visual and title, category label, more options. If I click on this more options, here the right side, the options are showing. So first I'll go with size and style. So in this size and style, I'll background off and call out value. So for call out value, we'll add with the font. So select with the font. I'll select as EGUI, and font size I'll give as like 38 and click on bold. Okay. And color. So this color I will give as like this one 10FBFF. Will note down separate. Next time also it will 10FBFF. So frequently this color we have to use number of times. So that is the reason we are selecting this one. Okay. So color, and we'll go with decimal places. Here decimal places are by default auto. We'll give as 1 decimal. So 24.9 M. And we'll go with category label. So in category label, I'll give as font 9, and we'll select the color as white. So this revenue part, I'm selecting this white color. So once why I'm selecting this white, we'll see. And next, this rectangle, this chord is dragged to the KPI background. See, okay. Now see this one, 24.9 M. So copy this one again and paste it 3 times. Same thing, we'll drag to all the cards. Okay. Once it is done with the placing, and we had to select these cards. Okay. And format, align. So this format we had to do. So align top. Control Z. Distribute horizontally. No, we have selected as actually the objects are selected. So we'll select this one, control, and this one, and this one. Format, align, distribute horizontally. Next, align top. Now it is good. Okay. So after aligning this, we had to add with the other KPIs. So once I select with this one, click on this data. So for this data, I'll remove this one, add data, search with total profit, double click, and rename this one profit. Done. Okay, profit is done. Next, same thing, add data, remove the revenue, add to total orders. Double click. So this one as we'll call orders. Done. Next, here we'll add the data, remove the revenue, and return rate. So return rate I have select, double click. So this one will give as return rate. Okay, done. So 4 KPIs we have added. Now save this one. And again, we had to add one more rectangle here. I'll show shapes. So now I'll go with the rectangle, plain rectangle, and this one will resize. Okay, and little bit. Okay. So now this one we have to fill the color. So for format shape, fill the color is so horizontal shape style, fill color. So I'll fill this color as like gray color and same copy into all pages. So this one will copy all pages. So Control C, map, paste it, product detail, paste it, customer detail, and paste it. Okay. So now we have added all the pages. So the left side border. Now we have to apply two more KPIs in customer detail. So for this customer detail, I will copy this parts. You select this all. No, not yet selected. Okay. Control C, customer detail, and paste it. Okay. So four, what we say, four cards are pasted here. So now we'll remove two cards, select the card and delete. Okay. Now these two cards, for example, this one, move to left side. Oh, okay. So this one will move here and this one here will place. First I'll select these two cards. First I'll select these two cards and align properly. Format, align. So this align is mainly so align the left like or line top, Control Z, align left, and these two also will place here. Okay. Now I will select these two one, not yet. Select this one, control this one, format, align left, done. Now I'll add this to the select this card and data. So remove this data and add to total customers. Total customers. And in this double click, we'll add as like this one unique customer. Okay, done. Close and click on this below KPI, select the data, remove this one and add to, we'll add as like average revenue per customer. So this data is revenue per customer. Okay, and close. Done. So this is the customer detail KPIs, unique customers, revenue per customer. Okay. Now, and next one we had to uh, so next concept to so next concept we had to format the charts like building and formatting charts, line charts, trend lines and forecasts, line chart and trend. Okay, so KPI cards, etc. So these things we had to add. And selection page I will see later. So this is the dashboard, executive dashboard and customer detail. Till now we have added. Okay, right. I'll click on save. So continue with the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. So most of the members are seeing the video, not liking. So if you like the video, so it will reach to more members, and for me also more interesting to do the more videos. Please support to like the video. Thank you.